This is what we've been waiting for from Samsung. This is the brand new Micro RGB TV. And also, it's 130 inches. But hold up a second. Samsung says they've got many sizes for you. This year, the Micro RGB TV start at 55 inches and goes all the way up to 130. What's great about the TV is that, of course, you got 100% BT 2020, 100% color volume, and then you also have super max brightness. The TV is bright, it is clear, it is absolutely beautiful. Now, one thing you find is that the TV itself has some really great contrast, as well as so color balance as well, and the viewing angles are great. So whether you're looking at the 75-inch over there, it looks absolutely stunning. And I know people are looking at it, which is great. But again, those Micro RGB levels, they have precise color accuracy across the board, giving you some really clear, bright viewing presence. Now, of course, this has Tizen OS, as you would expect. Also has Google Gemini as well. So AI features mixed into this TV, making sure that you're getting the best out of it. Now, one of the cool things that added to this year's Micro RGB TV is Samsung's upgraded Vision AI companion. So Samsung is using a multi-platform LLM agent that allows natural language conversions with Bixby to find proactively the kind of content you're looking for, live translation, generative wallpapers, and also combination with things like Perplexity. Now, this TV also has Samsung's proprietary glare-free technology, which minimizes reflection. So whether you're watching on the 130-inch or the 55, 75, doesn't matter, you're gonna get some really cool viewing experience. And finally, you've got enhanced Dolby Atmos with multidimensional sound, adaptive Sound Pro, and of course, Samsung's Q-Sync to basically give you one of the best audio experiences ever with 3D audio meshing. Now, I have to say though, I'm impressed that Samsung has gone down to a 55-inch for Micro RGB, which means you can fit it into your bedroom, your living room, or in a stadium setting, wherever you want to. Honestly, it's stunning, it's bright, it's big, and I want one.